Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 10 from practice test 8. Sophia walked a total of 6 miles in 2 days. On the first day, she walked 2 miles. The equation m plus 2 equals 6 can be used to find the number of miles m she walked on the second day. Which model shows the equation? And they give you these choices. Now, if we were just going to go ahead and solve this, you would say, what's the opposite of what's happening to the variable? And what's happening to the variable is 2 is being added to it. The opposite of that is to subtract 2. And remember, whatever we do to one side of an equation, we have to do to the other side. In class, we talked about how we use these little rods to represent the variable. So we have one of those. And for whole numbers, we're using the little yellow squares to represent the whole numbers. So we have 2, so we would have 2. And the fact that that equals 6. So m plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if we were to actually going to balance this equation, recall that we talked about how if you take one off of here, you can take one off of here. If you take one off of here, you can take one off of here. It keeps it balanced. So if we look at what's the answer, you can see that m would be equal to 4. If we were to solve this algebraically, this would cancel out, and 6 minus 2 would be 4. We'd bring down the equal sign, and we'd bring down the m. So let's kind of recap. We started out with m plus 2, which is what we see here, equals 6. And we took away 2 from both sides of the equation to isolate the variable, we call that, and we discovered the answer was 4. Now, which answer choice matches that? If you look at choice D, that has the m plus 2 equals a 6. And in class, instead of actually removing the yellow squares, we were actually crossing them out. So for every one we cross out here, you get to cross one out here. We're subtracting 1. Let's subtract another one for a total of 2. And you can see that m is equal to 4.